Hi there. In this Microsoft Excel video, I'm going to take a quick look at how to use some of the templates that come with Excel. Specifically, I'll use the invoice template, which is one I use all of the time. So I'm just going to fire up Excel. When I do that, it brings me to the Backstage view, and I've got a bunch of recent templates, and if you choose more templates, you have a bunch of different templates to choose from, and there's some very useful and attractive documents there. I'm just going to use this simple invoice. If I click on that, it gives me a little information about it. It's provided by Microsoft, and I can choose create. So basically you just can click on each cell to customize this thing. So I'm just going to add my company name and my address. And my phone number, and my email, and my city, state, zip, no fax number. I'm just going to hit delete on that one, and my website. And then who you're billing to. So in this next cell, I'll say my college. Invoice number, I'm just going to make one up. Frequently, my clients require all of my invoices to be different from each other. I've had troubles when I've entered the same invoice twice, so I usually use the date and the course number or something like that. So I'm just going to use 1907-2021 or something like that as an invoice number. And you can use Control semicolon to insert a date. And I'll say my item number is training 01, training 3 at $100 an hour. And you notice it pops in, does the arithmetic for us, pops it in down here, and then there's a little bit of information you can add here as well. Do a total of 30 days, 2% per month or something like that for overdue amounts. So that's basically modifying, Motorama, the information to make it specific to your company for an invoice. And again, I use these invoices all of the time. And now I'm just going to quickly save this as a PDF, which I would then email to the recipient. So I'll choose, I would save this as an Excel spreadsheet if I need to modify this. I'll just put it in my usual spot here. And then I would also save it as a PDF. So then the client won't be able to modify this thing. They won't change what I'm asking them for. They could, if I send them the Excel document, they will be able to change it. And now here's my PDF. I would then go File, Share File, and add their email. So that's a very quick look at using some of the templates that come with Excel. And again, there's quite a few of them. They're all very attractive, super useful, so that you don't have to create a spreadsheet from scratch. Thanks so much for watching.